how creamy this pap looks. It is so creamy and so yummy. Guys, this pap recipe is the best recipe ever that you can ever try. Just take that from me. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Sisidammie. Hope you all are doing great. I'm so glad to have you here again. Please, before we continue, have you subscribed? Have you? Please now see this premium content I'm giving to you. Please subscribe now. It is totally free. So guys, in today's video I will be teaching you how to make this creamy pap at home. This pap is nutrient packed, just take that from me. So we are going to be using white corn, white guinea corn, rice, tiger nut, dates and banana. Please check the measurements in the description box below. The first thing to do is to remove stones and other unwanted particles in your grains. You have to make sure that you remove all these things because you want to make your grains clean as possible. Then you go ahead, like now I picked my corn and now I'm washing it. You wash it until the water is very clean. After picking the stones and unwanted particles in my white guinea corn, I'm going to wash it very well and add it to my corn, to the washed corn. Now, after washing the corn and the white guinea corn, put it together and add more water on it and leave it to ferment for at least 48 hours. On the tiger nuts, you can use the dry one or the fresh one. I decided to buy the dry one because it is more cheaper and I want to monitor the kind of water I will use to soak it. So you can decide to buy the fresh one. Now you can take it to the mill, and if you have a good blender at home, you can use it as well. I took mine to the mill. Please tell them to wash their machine before they started grinding. It is very important. This is the result after grinding it. Now I will go ahead to sieve the pap. You can get this pap siever, the fabric, from the market. Just go around the market, you are going to find it. So I'll go ahead to sieve the pap. For the banana and the dates, you don't need to sieve it. Please do not sieve that. Sieve only the pap, the corn and other mixture, but do not sieve the banana and the dates. That is why we grinded it separately. After sieving the pap, let it rest for at least 12 to 24 hours so that the water can separate from the pap. So this is 12 hours later, and I'll go ahead to drain the, we can see that the water on it is very clean. I'll go ahead to drain the water. This is what the pap looks like. This is the pap under the water. Now I'm going to transfer the pap into the fabric bag, the one we used to sieve the pap. So I will transfer it inside and leave it there overnight so that the remaining water can drain. This is the next day, and you can see the water under the pap. So you are going to throw that away, and our pap is ready. Like you can see that it is so creamy, guys. The video is not doing justice to it, but you can still see that in the video anyway. Now this is the grinded banana and dates. You add it to it, wash your hand and mix it together. Mix it together. That is it, guys. That is it. So I'm going to transfer it into a bowl, into a container, and store it in my fridge. If you do not have constant light, please keep it in your freezer. So I'm going to keep it there. On how to prepare it, please watch this video so you can know how to prepare it. You can take it, your children, from 6 months old, anyone can take it. That is it, guys. If you want, you can add milk to it, and you can as well take it like this, whatever rocks your boat. So guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment. Let us interact in the comment section. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, share my videos. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.